Hi everyone, Sandy here. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to do a showcase walkthrough on this album that I designed for Country Craft Creations using Photoplay's Bunnies and Blooms Easter 12 by 12 paper collection. It turned out to be a really fun album. I think you'll enjoy it, and I do have a separate tutorial here on my channel for you, so you can check for that. So stay tuned and I will show you all the details about this album. Let's take a quick look at this album. This is an 8x8 cover with a 3-inch spine. I have used this beautiful pink dotted sheer ribbon from Country Craft Creations to create the tie closure on this album. It has 3-page sets, but it will hold quite a few photos with the photo mat fold-outs that it has. Here on the front, I added one of the cut-aparts, the 4x6s. I did mat it onto cardstock that I had wrapped with leftover pattern paper, so that from the side you can see a bit of pattern paper there, not raw chipboard, I should say. Wrapped it chipboard, not cardstock. Sorry about that. Then I took some glittery glue paint and went around all the edges, and then I also used the Nouveau Drops crystal glaze on some of the Easter eggs here in the image. I added some flat back enamel dots in the pink, and these are the flowers that I got in my design team package from Country Craft Creations. I also used the willow green My Colors cardstock to mat the pattern paper here on the spines, the front and the back. I'm holding the ribbon closed with one of the 3x4 cut parts that I matted to some of the ivory colored, natural colored artisan cardstock from Country Craft Creations. So we just untie this. There is lots of room in this album, which I planned so that I could utilize using flowers in the layouts. So here on the front cover, we have some of the beautiful flowers, some of the flat back enamel dots. I did scallop punches with some of the paper, added flowers, enamel dots. I created a tuck spot here with a photo mat. Use a lot of the stickers to do my decorating. This flips open. On the back sides of my flaps, I did leave them plain, so you can use these for photos. And this is one of the fold-out photo mats. So use stickers here. I matted the front of each one of them. And on this one, I did mat with some of the willow green. So these fold open just like that. And I did use a corner punch that I have to punch the scraps of the paper to make my photo corners. This is a punch I've had quite a while. You can buy purchased photo mats, or you can make them by cutting out squares and cutting triangles in half and just gluing the edges. But I love how these turned out with this. So I did use them on all the photo mats that flip out. A sticker here with some flat back enamel dots that I got in my design team package, and some more of the flowers. Here on the first page, I have another photo mat flip out with the corners. This flap opens up. We have a tuck spot with a photo mat from the My Colors willow green. And then again, I left this one blank. Now I did decide on this one to go ahead and leave these spaces blank with the natural ivory cardstock, because it just kind of brings in all the photo mats, but you could add pattern paper if you wanted to. Here on this side, we have this one for horizontal photos. That again folds out. And I did leave this open here at the top for a pocket, so I put in a booklet from one of the 4x6 cut apart, so you can just tuck that in right there. And this lifts up, blank for photos, and here lots of photos can go there. The next page has another photo mat, but this one's just a double, and it opens up. I use some of the bunny stickers here. You can tuck a photo behind them like that. And then we have a photo mat here in a tuck spot. This flap opens, and then we have this page here where I pieced to show the carrots and use the stickers here and left this blank. The next page, you'll see I'm able to use, because of this 3/4 inch gusset space between the pages, you're able to use thicker embellishments if you choose. If you don't want to do that, you can put in extra pages and make your hinge gussets smaller, use more hinges. This album, the way it's designed, it will be kind of floppy if you don't put thicker embellishments in, so that's why I filled it up like this with embellishments. So here I used a ribbon wrapped on this one and a flower. I did put a cut apart in here. This flips open. I have this covering the ribbon on the inside, and I have the corners here again for the photo mats. And then this is a pocket on this page, and then we have a booklet that folds out like the others with the corners attached. I patterned the front and the back, added this sticker and more of the flowers. So I thought that turned out really pretty like that. Here on this page we have more flowers to add to the thickness of the decorating. This pocket here has this fold out booklet with the corners. Has an extra photo mat if you want to add it somewhere. I use the sticker there on the bottom. You can tuck a photo under there. So this just slips into that pocket sideways. And then we have a flap that opens like this again. Stickers here and blank places for photos right there. And on the back of the last page, we have another photo flip fold out. You have a photo mat attached here, but I did leave this open here. I was just trying to see where it's open to slide the photo in. This is another flip up, another area for photos, and a tuck spot here. And then here on the last page for horizontal photos, we have a beautiful flower arrangement, some stickers, some of the sticker border, flips down, again has the corners. And then this flap comes down, more places for photos. So that is the showcase walkthrough of this Easter egg hunt album. You can use the design of this album for any theme, any paper collection that you might have that you want to create an album for. It's really simple. I show you in the tutorial how to make it, how to add the pattern papers for the sections that you need to know about, how to put your ribbon on. So do check out my tutorial. That's a separate video here on my channel. If you continue watching, it will show you a clickable link for it at the end of the video right on the screen. So thanks so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell so that you will be notified of my next videos that I'll be uploading. And as always, check out countrycraftcreations.com for your scrapbooking, paper crafting supplies. Thanks, everybody. Hope you had a blessed and happy Easter, and I will start creating something else for you real soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.